Hello from Japan. I'm Shinji Suzuki, the president of JUIDA. It's my pleasure to offer our congratulations to the World Drone and Robotics Congress 2020 in Australia. I will briefly explain JUIDA and drone activities in Japan. I'm afraid I won't be able to attend actually. JUIDA was established in 2014 as Japan-US Industrial Development Association in order to promote the use of the rapid developing unmanned aerial systems, UAS, in the private sector. These are JUIDA officers since 2014. I'm here, a professor of University of Tokyo. I understand that everyone is living in quite tough times due to the COVID-19. And this Congress is being held after complex preparations. JUIDA to organize Japan Drone Exhibition, the biggest UAS trade show in Japan every year. We gather more than 200 exhibitors, 15,000 visitors, and a long list of international guest speakers. Effectively, we believe in international cooperation to improve and accelerate the growth of the US industry. This year, it has been postponed from March to September 29-30. The exhibition and international conference was held in a safe and secure manner by taking measures in accordance with COVID-19 guideline for prevention of infection spread in the exhibition industry. This shows several photos of this exhibition, conference, and events. There were new exhibitions, lively business talks, and hot discussions at this Japan Drone 2020. Within the spread of COVID-19 infection, drones have shown various activities in the world. This is a flying demonstration using drone in China, and this is a drone spraying of disinfectant in India. And this is a CLP test kit transportation using drone in Africa. And the last one is interesting campaign using drone for social distance and face mask in South Korea. Drones, no matter the weight and shape, are a very disruptive technology in the traditional aviation landscape. The Japanese government, with the support of the Public-Private Council for Drones, established Japan-US Revolution Roadmap. I'm very sorry that the letters in this picture are too small to read, but we have set a roadmap for policy and infrastructure for environmental improvement and technology and development process according to the evolution of flight levels. These four fields are being strengthened, especially in the industrial field. The first one is drone delivery in remote island and mountain areas, and the second is the utilization for drones in the event of disaster. In Japan, drones are especially expected to play an active role in the disaster response for typhoon or heavy rain. The third one is security and guard application, and the fourth is the medical field. The transport of SELAM and AED is being considered. JUIDA is active in various fields related to drone industries. I will present to you some of its key projects. Since 2014, we are working with over 13,000 members. It is supported by JUIDA certificate holders who graduate from JUIDA Drone Pilot School. We established JUIDA accredited drone pilot school system, providing training courses, examinations, and certifications. Here is a training and certification system in JUIDA. Up to now, more than 130,000 drone pilots have gotten their licenses, and thanks to our schools. There are more than 215 drone pilot schools in Japan. And recently, JUIDA schools have operated overseas as well. The Japanese government has announced a policy to issue national drone pilot license, and JUIDA will take even greater responsibility as the largest drone association in Japan. As I explained, we are working to cultivate human resources. These activities have promoted the rapid increase of drone service market in Japan. Besides, we are part of the ISO International Standard Organization working group that drafts the upcoming standards of the drone industry worldwide. A total number of 17 countries work together to harmonize the best standards that will be used by companies. In order to establish world standards by drone industry, JUIDA has signed MOUs with 30 organizations from 21 countries. Recently, we have been involved in Fukushima robot test field. It's a large-scale project initiated by Fukushima Prefecture to revitalize the region damaged by tsunami in 2011. Along with JUTM and JUAV, we carried out test experiments with drones flying beyond visual line of sight. The test field is now fully open and extends to approximately 50 hectares with laboratories and research facilities. It is composed of 15 facilities of onshore, underwater, a water drone area, and disaster area, an urban model, and infrastructure area, a bridge and tunnel, and chemical plants, and R&D center, and airfield surrounded by the net, and UAV runway. These facilities was opened this year. These facilities will be used to develop two passenger-carrying drones in the near future. Together, let's create the new normality, which is enhancing the drone application in many aspects of our lives, and look forward to the future. On behalf of all the members of JUIDA, we wish you are all safe and successful. Thank you. Looking forward to meeting you in person soon.